What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this portable hard drive. So basically I'm gonna unbox it and show you what comes inside and give you my intake about it. Basically, if you need enough storage, like if you're doing a lot of editing, like if you're a content creator, this is a very good drive for you. Is it? Yeah man, so you guys can consider getting something like this. So basically the brand is Stage. So you guys can check it out. And basically it is a hard drive. Alright guys, so basically it's a Stage. It's a 4 terabyte. So I buy the 4 terabyte one because I'm a content creator, I'm a photographer, so I use up a lot of storage. So when I'm right on extend drive for your PC, Mac and Chromebook. Design extreme for a poor PC on Mac and Chromebook. Alright? It said work on Windows, Mac, and so it's a universal drive. So let me pull it and show you guys what's in the package. Alright guys, so basically I'm gonna do the unboxing right now. I'll show you what's coming inside the package. Alright, so guys, basically when I take out it, basically this is the drive, as you can see right here. Yeah, so this is the drive. Alright, so basically I'm gonna pull it and see the drive itself. So this is the drive. Yeah, this is the drive. Get it focused. Yeah, so basically this is the drive. Alright guys, so basically this is the drive. As you can see, it's very lightweight and thing. You see it, so I just tell us, yo, it's a Stage drive. So basically this is how it come with. It feel kind of plasticky. Yeah, that's my thing on it right now. It feel plasticky. Not really so durable though, is it? I remember I just need this for storage. Yeah, I mean I really need it to be too durable. Because it's not a SSD. It's a regular drive. Alright, so the next thing we come with is the cable to attach to the computer. It's a it's like a USB B, USB 3 cable. You see it? Yeah. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a drive like this, the link will be in the description. Yeah, man, thank you guys for watching, and I will be looking forward for you guys to leave something in the comment section and leave your feedback if I should do more unboxing like this. Thank you guys.